In this tutorial, we will see how to use DrakkarVFX with Unity's visual effect graph. This example will use the Universal Render Pipeline, or URP. First of all, let's make sure that Visual Effect Graph is installed by going to Package Manager, Unity Registry, and confirming that Visual Effect Graph is properly installed. Then, go to Project Settings, Player, and add DrakkarVFX Score Graph to the script-defined symbols. From this moment on, DrakkarVFX will be able to manage visual effect graphs. I have prepared an example of DrakkarVFX that includes a light, a sound, and a VFX graph. Our visual effect graph is quite simple and has two parameters: particles, which defines the number of emitted particles, and turbulence, which determines the turbulence intensity. We will set these two parameters using DrakkarVFX itself. This is of course equipped with a VFX graph module. In the Effects submenu, under VFX Graphs, we added our visual effect, and under Parameters, we added two parameters: particles of type UIint set to 1000, turbulence of type float set to 1. When entering play mode, we can see that the visual effect graph runs correctly along with the light and sound, with the particles and turbulence values properly set. For more information, please refer to the DrakkarVFX documentation.